Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the use of the ACT LED on the Raspberry Pi to transmit a Morse code message. Now I've written a shell script already on the Raspberry Pi that turns on and off the brightness of the ACT LED to transmit the message that I've encoded there. So let's go ahead and connect to our Raspberry Pi and run the script to see it in action. Now I've gone ahead and created the script on the home directory. So if we use ls to list the files there, we see the file lab1solution.sh. So in order for us to be able to execute this file that will control the LEDs on the Raspberry Pi board, we need to have sudo permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and type in sudo and then // and then the name of the file to indicate that we want to execute this script. So when we execute the script, then we'll see a series of commands, or messages that we've echoed to the screen to indicate which letter we're currently transmitting. Okay, so the script has completed and we should have seen the Morse code encoding of SOS COMP462 transmitted by the LED of the Raspberry Pi.